Hey YouTube, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And for this episode, I just want to show you guys my haul from the recent Shoephoric All Souls Day. So this is one of them, and I'm excited to unbox this and share this with you all. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, you guys are missing out because we're doing a lot of giveaways and we will keep on doing a lot of giveaways. Right now, we're giving away like a ZX500 RM. We're giving away a 10,000 pesos outlet shopping trip with me, a 3,000 pesos sneaker shopping gift certificate over at Carousel, as well as limited edition Crep Protect NBA spray cans. Subscribe now, hit the notification bell, and follow me on Instagram. Oh, and hit the links down below for the mechanics of those giveaways. Boom! Before we get to me sharing with you guys my haul from the All Souls Day from Shoephoric, maybe we should talk about what All Souls Day first is, right? So, All Souls Day is an event organized by Shoephoric, and think of it as like a super mini sneaker con. So it's not like the biggest space ever, but there are a lot of booths from various sellers and merchants selling their wares, from streetwear to of course, a lot of Heat sneakers. A bunch of the guys we actually know. So Cop Garden was there. We did a video on them. We did a review on their store. Link down below if you guys haven't seen that yet. We also saw like Diamond Sneaks. We saw the guys from Clyde. Met the owner, fantastic guy. I'm looking forward to working with them in the future. We also met, of course, Mr. Soul Slam was there from Fila. They supported the event. The host was Wu Hooligan, of course, a fellow YouTuber, a Filipino YouTuber who does sneaker content, one of the OGs. He did this way before me. So I actually am inspired by the work that he did in the past few years. So always a great pleasure to see you, man, Ralph. So hope to bump into you more. So apart from that, yeah, a lot of booths going around. So I wanted to share with you guys what I ended up copying. Let's check it out. Now, we will save the best for last. As you guys know, I am on a quest right now to be able to complete the Off-White Nike OG 10. And I have a bunch already here at the back. And this is a new addition. I will unbox this in a bit. So let's get started else with the other stuff that I was able to cop. First, I just want to give a quick shout out to the awesome folks over at Trilogy Merch PH. I'm a huge fan of Attack on Titan, and they sent this keychain of the Beast Titan I can't remember when exactly it was, like a few weeks ago. Now, they were an exhibitor over at All Souls Day at Shoephoric. So I dropped by their booth and yay! The Beast Titan now has some sister, a brother, and another brother. So, I got the Colossal Titan, I got Eren, I got Annie together with the Beast Titan. So maybe I can complete all the Titans and just display them here at the back. I actually have a collection of Attack on Titan toys. I'll probably do a video on that on another day. Let me know if you guys are interested in toy content. I'm not sure if that's something that would resonate with you all. Next up, we have this. This is from Mini Kicks, created by Yuki Torre. Unique handmade crafts created by Mad Skills and Pure Talent. So as you guys can see, it's miniature art of the Jordan 1 Off-White, Chicago's, the Platinums or the All-Whites, I don't know what you call it, and the UNCs with the Off-White boxes. And of course, that Off-White, black and white stripe down there. I just love the feel, the vibe of this one. And it was just, I think, can't remember the exact price, but it was cool. And I'll probably put it in the back. And maybe I can collect like the entire Off-White OG 10 miniature for this one. The awesome folks over at Clyde Philippines. Clyde is actually a local Filipino brand of sneaker cleaning products and services. So they actually hooked me up with an entire set of their cleaning solution. So, wow, that's a lot of cleaning. So this is the Clyde shoe cleaner and conditioner. It comes with the Let's Clyde wipes. You have 2 brushes inside, and they even sent over like a bunch of new products that they have. This is a natural odor eliminator. Really cool. That looks nice. They also sent over a water stain repellent over here. And lastly, this is something that I'm really excited to use. This is a natural leather cleaner and conditioner. So as you guys know, I have a large leather collection of shoes, not just sneakers. So thank you, Clyde Philippines, for sending all of this cool stuff over, for hooking me up with this. Maybe you guys are open to doing like a giveaway for our viewers, please do let me know so we can set something up. And lastly, we come to the creme de la creme of my haul from Shoephoric All Souls Day. Of this came from a Malaysian streetwear seller. They're called 5 Souls 5. This is their IG account. Please do check them out and give them a follow if you guys want to buy like heat stuff from them. This one I got for 40,000 pesos. It is a pre-love, the 10 Air Force One low. So this is the Air Force One from the Off-White collection from the original 10. So let's just pop it open. Well, before we pop it open, so as you guys can see, it's your typical Nike swoosh box. Well, the Nike Off-White brown box. This is the inverted box because if you pop it open, as you guys can see, it's like they turn the box inside out. Now, this is the sneaker. It's your Air Force One Off-White. Ah, man, it just looks so good. This is actually size 11 because as you guys know, Air Force One sizes tend to run really big. So I usually go either a half size or a full size down. And just so happened that the full size down worked really well for me for the Air Force One. So this is the pair. As you guys see here, it's that white with the deconstructed vibe, the suede, the foam, the ziplock tag over here, the orange tags around the sneaker. And apart from that, we have the extra laces. We have the ones in black with the orange tips and the white with the green tips. And yeah, got it for a really good deal. It's actually still, the condition is still pretty good. I mean, it does show some dirt at the bottom, but nothing like a few cleaning won't solve. Yeah, really happy with this one. So again, thank you to the awesome folks over at 5 Souls 5 for giving me a great deal on this one. I'm really happy with this pair. Now, this pair actually has a story because it took me a while to make the decision to buy this. Because apart from the Air Force One Off-Whites, they also had the Chicago Ones in 11.5 Off-Whites. They also had the Prestos OG in size 12. And the prices were friggin' amazing. They were selling the Off-White Prestos OG for 75,000 pesos size 12. Now, I know it's a lot of money, it's crazy, but that is part of my quest to collect. So I am gunning after it, and I am selling a lot of sneakers, guys, to be able to fund this. So don't worry, I'm okay. Now, having said that, I was supposed to get that one, but I ended up with this pair with the Air Force One Off-Whites because I already have a Presto, but the new generation, the black one. And I've been really hooked on the Air Force Ones, as you guys know if you've been following this channel. So I decided to take a pass first on the Off-White Prestos, even though they were at such a good price, and ended up with this one. If it's meant to be, I'll encounter the same guys or maybe another seller selling me the same product at maybe even the same or maybe even a better price. So yeah, that's it for this vlog. Please do watch out for my reviews of a lot of the Off-White stuff that I've been collecting lately. It's starting to pile up now in the coming vlogs ahead. I hope you guys are all having a great day, all having a great weekend. Peace, God bless, what's up?